How to straighten video on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so click on video. So after click on video, click on this edit icon. So after click on this edit icon, click on this crop icon. So after click on this crop icon, click on this last icon. You will see straighten feature is here. So if you want to straighten video, so you will straight video from here. So after straight video, click on save and you will see your video is straight. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can straighten video on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.